Yo, good to see everybody. This is your Comfort here for you with yet another benchmark video. How's everybody doing? I'm not what it is. My dog was lost for 3 days. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Four, three, one. One, two, five, six. My day hasn't been the best. It hasn't been the worst. It's about okay. I haven't done much. I haven't done less. I've done about the same. That's not good for the course, but it's not the worst for the course either. Guess it is what it is. Anyhow, Gold Crystal, it was pretty good. I liked it. Preliminary Augment, it was okay. Tech Treaty, it was okay. Bypass Stance, overall, I kind of flopped on this one. I just went for an easy catch. Wide Means, it was something else, but it's still pretty bad. Palms Sublime, I just needed a quick draw. Big Guide, I really fucked up the eyes like I said last time. Rocky Stripe, I really liked Rocky Stripe the way I did it, but maybe that's because he has such a simple design that I didn't really, fall over anything. Connection Byway, I spent way too much time on this for no exact reason. Thoughtful Third Thursday, issue 33, I somehow made it on time. Thoughtful Third Thursday, issue 34, I somehow made it on time. All three drawings were submitted on the same day, drawn on the same day, basically. I don't know why I forced myself to go through that torture. Failing Motivators, completely burnt out, so I did a bad drawing. Retro Sickness, I was completely burnt out, so I went for a simplistic, easy drawing that I still fucked up. Eventual Slip, I woke up late on this one. I had no time to do anything. Same with Toxins, I really did not have any time to do anything on this one. Like, the body's completely off, like, by every metric, but it is what it is. Spotted Kindle, I was heavily sleep deprived when I drew this. I drew the cat so fucking small to be at the, like, scale that I wasn't even really able to draw anything really. However, it still passes in my book. 1055 submission. Double Wheat, I really wanted to put some work into this. I did put a lot of work into like the head and stuff, but I put it off way too long to the point where I did like the arms, the legs, and the face all in one quick succession. I only really had like an hour to do it. So when it comes down to it, the overall result pretty poor, especially this part, very poor. The hand and the spatula. The spatula is supposed to be rusty. I was meaning to like have a chunk bit off, but I completely forgot because I was running so low on time. Is what it is. Still says rust, and this does look kind of rusty to me, in my opinion. So anyhow, this has been Serial Comfort here for you with yet another weekly benchmark video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time or something, I'll see you all later. Thanks so much for watching.